Hello everyone and welcome back to Dulce Bakery. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to decorate Chic Valentine's Day cookies. We're going to begin by baking and allowing to cool completely the cookies we're going to decorate, and then we're going to start with the letters using white flood consistency royal icing and a number 3 tip. Once you have finished floating the cookie and the icing is still wet, you're gonna pour sprinkles of your choice. If you wanna use the ones that I'm using, I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description of the video. I also want to let you know that if you don't have a sugar cookie or a royal icing recipe, mine are available on my webpage www.dulcebakery.com. Once you have finished with these cookies, allow them to dry completely for about 2 hours. Now we're gonna move on to decorating the high heel cookie. You can also find the cookie cutter that I'm using for this one in the description of the video as well as on my webpage. And to achieve this kind of color, I'm using the Wilton colors, and I'm mixing two different colors of food coloring, which is the pink one and a few drops of the purple one. Remember that you can always use the scribe tool to evenly distribute the icing on the cookie. For the high heel cookies, instead of using sprinkles, I'm gonna use these glitters, which are from my friends at Bakery Blink, and you can find the link to their store in the description of the video as well as on my webpage. For the lip cookies, I'm gonna use flood consistency royal icing in white color in a number 2 tip. Once I have floated the entire cookie, I'm gonna let it dry for about 2 hours to continue decorating. To make the elevation of the lips, I'm using the same fuchsia color, but this time in a medium consistency, and I'm using a number 2 tip. Now we're gonna move on to decorating the martini glass, and for this one I'm using also white flood consistency royal icing in a number 2 tip, but in this case I'm not using that much royal icing because I'm using this icing just to adhere the sprinkles that I'm gonna pour later. Once you have poured the sprinkles, allow them to dry for at least 30 minutes. Next, you can just pipe the rest of the glass and allow it to dry for up to an hour. And that's it, your cookies are ready. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media where you will find more decorating inspiration. Happy Valentine's Day and see you next time.